Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel CSwithRahul. In today's video, I am going to cover one important question by the Java 8 Stream API. So our today's question is sum of the digits in a number, means whatever the number we have been provided, that we have to add the digits of those numbers. Means what? Suppose we have given a number like 5, 6, 8, 9, then we have to find out the sum of the digits like 5 plus 6 plus 8 plus 9, and the result you have to show. But what we need to keep in mind, that whatever the task we are performing, that we have to perform through the Java 8 Stream API. So here I'm going to tell you the two approaches, that in two approach how can you solve this. Whatever the approach is looks like easy for you, that you can perform with those operations and those type of coding. So for that you have to be with the video till last, and if you have not subscribed my channel, please do subscribe it and hit the bell icon. So without delay, let's get started. So here what we have to do, we have to find out the sum using the Java 8 Stream API. So we will see that how can we do this with the first approach, and after that we will see that how can we do it with the second approach. Before that, I am going to give you one important information for my playlist, that I have created the playlist in the Hindi language also as well as the English language. Whatever the language is comfortable for you, that you can go to my playlist and you can watch those videos. Definitely you will get some good questions and good understanding of the coding. Slowly I will be covering some data structure related codings also here, as well as I have created one playlist like for Java shorts, in which in Hindi language I have covered some of the important concepts in 1 or 2 minutes. If you want to revise your concepts, you can go to those videos and you can watch it. Slowly I will update this in the English language also, so whoever understand only the English, they can revise those concepts as well. So let's get started, that how can we code for that particular program. So first of all, let me create one class. So here I'm creating one class which is digit sum. Right clicking on the package, after the right click I am creating the class. Let me right click here and I will solve this. Actually this right click option is not enabled in my recording, so that I will show you, but that doesn't matter if you are writing the code. I think you already know. Digits sum, I have created one class here. So this is the class, and here I am creating one main class. So in the main class I am create digit sum is the main class, and I have created one main method. So here what I am doing, I am just providing the number directly. I am not taking the number from the user. So your task is to do with the user input. Here first I am providing the number equal to, like whatever I have given in the slide, 5, 6, 8, 9, I have given this number. Then what you have to do, you have to find out the first approach, then how you will think to solve this question. First of all, this is the integer, right? This is not the string. So what you have to do, you have to convert it to the string of string, and then to stream, means stream of string, and you have to separate each digits. After separating each digit, once you will create the stream, then you already know that there are multiple methods we have in the stream class, in the stream, like so that we can perform that operation. So first of all, how can we convert this string to the stream of characters? Let me convert it first. So here I am taking output or result. I am taking here result. This is the result. This is the first approach I am following, that how can we solve it. Approach 1. So in approach 1, what I am doing, first of all I am creating the stream dot off method. I am calling here stream dot off. After the stream dot off, what you have to do, because this is the string, you have to do like string dot, there is one method which is called the value of. In value of, what you have to provide, in value of you have to provide the num, means whatever the number you have taken, that you have to provide here, right? After value of, what it will do, value of method will provide the string, and whatever the integer you will provide, it will return the string of that, right? In a string which will represent the int arguments, right? Whatever the integer arguments it has been given, it will provide that. Then we have to do what? We have to convert it in the stream of what? We have to take one by one number. So we need to split it based on empty string, means because there is no gaps, nothing, no spaces there. That's why we are taking it number, like, so it will be, string will be created for the digits like 5, 6, 8, 9, and whatever the next number you have provided. Then we need to call it the collect. Once this has been done, then we have to call the collect method. After the collect method, we need to use the collector class, and because now this is converted to the stream of integer, then we have inside the collector class, we have summing int. We have summing int, one method which is summing int, which will add the integers, right? Which will add the integers. Then we have to, whatever the result is there, summing int, what summing int is providing. So once you will see, summing int will provide which type of data type. So it will return a collector that produces a sum of derived property, means whatever the digits it had been provided will return the collector of that. So our task is to do convert it. So how can we convert it? So to convert it, we have to, like, we have one class integer, and we have to call the method which is parse int, means whatever the string will be there, whatever the things will be there, it will convert it into the integer, and it will return the integer, means whatever the string by the summing it will return, then it will return it in the, it will convert it in the integer format. Now you can see the output here. I am writing the println statement, and I am writing the sum is, sum of the digit is, here sum of the digit is what? Result. Result, or in place of result I can say sum. Let me change it to sum, which would be the meaningful sum. Let me save the code. System.println. What is the error? If there is one error, don't hesitate, just look into the error, right? Look into the error, because here we need to provide the plus. Look into the error and just solve it. Right click, run as Java application. Now once it will be executed, you can see what is the sum. The sum is 28. You can see the sum, like it is 28. So now what you have to do, you have to find out, let me fix it like this, let me close it. Right click, run as Java application. Okay, the sum is 28. After that, what we need to do? After that, we have to see the another approach, but before that we will provide another number here, another digit 1, just to verify our result. Right click, run as Java application, and the total is 29. Okay, after that we will see the another approach. Let me comment it. I hope you are getting these concepts. If you are liking my video, then subscribe my channel, share this video to the Java aspirants who is doing the code practice and who is preparing for the interviews. And if you have any doubt, you can definitely comment me. I will solve your query in the next video. So int sum, again I am doing, because this is the approach to that, how I am doing this. So first of all, we know that we have some ASCII codes known, right? So we know that ASCII code of the value 0 is what? ASCII code of 0 is 49. So we will use the ASCII code approach here. So we have already seen like string dot value of method, right? String dot value of method. Here we will provide the nums, and after that chars we will do. So what it will do, int stream, chars will return the int stream of whatever the integer has been provided, right? Previously we have used stream.off, but here what we are using, chars. In the previous questions also, in the previous videos also, for the string to int stream I have used this char method. You can go to those videos also and you can practice those questions. And after that what we need to take, we need to convert each number, right? We need to find out the each number. How can we find out the each number? Because we are approaching to each digit, means whatever the int stream has been provided to us, that we have been approach each digit. So here we will use the lambda expression, means first it will take one digit or one character, and after the character, as we know that whatever, if we will minus like 49 is the 48 is the ASCII code for the 0 and 49 is the ASCII code for 1. So if we will do like 49 minus 48, then it will subtract it and provide you the actual digit. So the same approach we are going to do here. Here I am subtracting the 0, means it is character, but it is working as a int ASCII code. You already know that once we are doing this, it is converting to the int ASCII values, and it is performing the operation. And after that we have directly a method which is sum method, right? So this is the another approach. Just right clicking here, run as Java application, and you can see the sum is 29. Let me change another number here. So if I am changing the number like 9 to 7, means sum would be -2, right? Right click, run as Java application, and here sum is 27. So guys, I hope you are getting these kind of concepts through my videos, and I request you to do the practice of these type of questions. Then only you will get the proper concept and you will memorize it. You don't need to remember any particular method, what it is doing and all. Just practice is important. Once you will do the practice, then definitely you will be solving these type of questions easily. If you like this video, then do hit the like button, share this video to your friends, comment if you have any doubt or you want to cover me another question, subscribe my channel, press the bell icon so that you will get the notification of the upcoming videos very fast. Till then, we will meet in the next video. Keep learning, keep watching, and keep coding. Thanks for watching.